Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel MD Paradise. Today I am making alsi ki pinni or flax ball. Ingredients are flax seed make powder 1 kg, wheat flour half kg, jaggery 1 kg, almond make powder 1 cup, walnut half cup, coconut powder half cup, Kamar 1 cup, lotus seed half cup, chopped 4 grains 1 tablespoon, fennel seed finely chopped 4 tablespoon, now towards cooking. First we take ghee in pan and now flame on. When it's become hot, then we add wheat flour and mix. Keep stirring continuously. Like my video, share my video and subscribe my channel. Keep stirring. Cook for few minutes. When its color light brown, you can see the color. Now add all ingredients one by one. Many benefits of flaxseed. Its bone meal have many nutrients full of protein. Now mix. Keep stirring till mix. Mix well. Now add flax powder slowly. Not to cook but mix. Keep stirring until mix together all ingredients. Now flame off and add jaggery syrup. I made 2 cup of water in jaggery and boil. Then strain with muslin cloth. Mix. It's ready. Now wear disposable gloves and make balls. Take little in hand and press it to make ball shape. Fastly made all balls like my video and share my video and subscribe my channel. Now all the balls are made. Now decorate with silver paper and make your dish more stylish. I made my video with my heart. I'm sure you like my video and joy to watch and listen my video. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.